Hey, welcome back to Whitetail Garage. I said I'd do a quick follow-up video on the lighting to try and demonstrate how much brighter it is in here. So right now it's daylight outside, as you can see. So and this is how bright it is in here. I'm going to kill the light so you can kind of see what it looks like. The difference between daylight, just light coming from outside, and these, and then I'm going to wait till this evening and then show you what they look like at night. So let me turn the light, kill the light switch right now. So this is, in fact, let me just walk outside. So it's kind of an overcast day, you know, not full sun, but that way you can kind of see how bright it is in here. Got bicycles and Christmas decorations and all kinds of stuff in the garage. I need to get it cleared out. But you can kind of see that's how bright it is in here with just the natural light coming in. And then again, let me give you how much brighter it becomes in here with the with those lights. We'll do the same exercise while I walk outside, get it. So this is outside light. To inside light. Again, I'm not sure if you can really make it out, but it is way brighter in here than it was before, and it's a bright white light. Makes it really easy to work, really easy to see. I'll see you at night. We'll do the same thing, and then I'll get this uploaded. All right, so now it's at night. You can kind of see how much brighter that garage is than the, you know, we've got the incandescent bulb here, and then incandescent bulbs up here, and these are actually floodlights. Actually, that's an LED floodlight. I'm sorry, it's just a different temperature. And we got another LED floodlight there. So you can see how bright those are, but yet how much brighter the garage is behind it. So again, it's kind of hard to make out in video, but you know, if I come back in here, I think you can kind of see how bright everything is, how easy it is to see everything, especially as I get underneath the light, you know. Like I said, I hope this, it's kind of hard to make out, but I hope you can kind of tell. I think these 10K are worth the extra few bucks, and then if you can get them on sale, or if you can get the 20% off coupon on the one, you know, and get them one at a time or whatever, I think it's totally worth it. But I mean, just to kind of show, you can see how bright the light is and how far down you can see, you know, under the hood of a car. For those projects, it makes it easier to work, easier to find that 10 millimeter. The 10 millimeter that always gets lost, right? Anyways, yeah, I hope this was helpful. Just a quick video. You know, I said I'd follow up with something to see if it helps out. But if you got any better ideas on how to demonstrate the brightness here, just let me know. But I think the daytime shot and this nighttime shot, that's about the best I can do. I'd recommend them. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time.